Hey there folks, today we got our hands on the Fallout and Jones Soda collaboration for Sunset Sarsaparilla. This was from Costco, Canada. As you can see, it's got both the brands on it. A nice little design for a keepsake after you're done drinking it. We're just going to take a look at all the sides before we open it up. Claims that it comes with included bottle cap opener and some collective bottle caps. And it is a fresh delight. Nice old school advertisement. So if you're familiar with the game, you know this is all over the wasteland and you collect your bottle caps as currency, so that's a cool keepsake. Let's get it open now and see how it looks and see how it tastes. Alright, so I'm going to try and open this as nicely as we can so we can keep the case after. Alright, so first things first, we have our Sunset Sarsaparilla bag here, which looks to contain our bottle opener and our caps. So this is magnetic. You can put this on the fridge. And it comes with 3 bottle caps as well. Alright, so then we have a card tucked in here with the Sunset Sarsaparilla artwork on it, and we flip it over, and we have a recipe for the high roller float, which is 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, 2 ounces of cold brew coffee, and 6 ounces of our Sunset Sarsaparilla. So we will try that on a different video. This is just for the root beer itself. And of course, here is the actual bottle. And you can also keep these. These are the same caps as what you get in your pouch. Alright, so let's just take a look at the artwork before we crack this open. We have our nice design on the front, and it says it's from the folks at Jones Soda. When we flip it over, it tells us to save our Blue Star caps, which is a nice authentic touch. If you can recall, in the game, it has mention of the Blue Star caps, which was a contest before the war. And if you collected enough of them and they're stamped underneath the cap, you could redeem it for a prize. And it has a nice little message here. Howdy partner, quench your thirst the old-fashioned way with an ice-cold bottle of Sunset Sarsaparilla, the legendary Wild West flavor cherished across the Mojave since 1918. And don't forget to keep an eye out for those exclusive Blue Star caps. One day, fortune just might smile your way. Alright, so let's crack it open, get a nice frosty mug, and see how it tastes. Alright, so we got our frosty mug here, and of course to open it we're going to use our included bottle opener. So we're going to try and get a close-up of it. So it doesn't sound like there's a lot of fizz, but let's see how it tastes and see if there's some fizz in it. Alright, so cheers. We're not putting any ice into it because we don't want to take away any of the fizz. So that tastes like an authentic Jones Soda. It's got the nice fizz to it, nice smooth fizz that Jones Soda usually has. So I give that a thumbs up, 5 out of 5 for the taste. Alright, so in 2026, this 12-pack of Sunset Sarsaparilla will run you $25 Canadian from Costco, Canada. Seems a bit steep to some people, but for big fans of the Fallout games and Netflix series, that's a decent price to pay. I absolutely love that it comes with the bottle opener, the little pouch, your commemorative caps, and your little recipe for a root beer float. And if you're familiar with Jones Soda, you will find it is the familiar Jones Soda root beer taste. Now, comment in the comment section below if you're going to open these and drink them, or if you're more of the type of person that wants to keep it as memorabilia and a collectible later and leave them all sealed. Also, feel free to comment what your favorite game is from the series, what system you play it on, and also what your favorite episode or season is on Netflix. So stay tuned. We'll try the root beer float on the back here in a different video. And thanks for watching. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.